Hey, what is going on, guys? I hope you're all having a great week. So on today's video, I had a company reach out to me and ask if I could do a review for them, and I gotta tell you, they have some pretty interesting stuff, so just keep watching. Hey, what is up, guys? So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. I do beard stuff, I do shave stuff, I do hair stuff, and occasionally I have a drink with you. So if you like any of that, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell that's next to it, and you'll know when that happens. Alright guys, getting into the video. So I had a company named Daniel's Beard Company reach out to me, and they asked me to do a review for them. They liked what I've been doing, and they said, hey, could you do a review? I said, I would love to do a review. What did you have in mind? And they said, oh, just, you know, pick something out that you think looks interesting and just tell us what you think. I go, okay, no problem. I picked out 3 things, and we'll get into that, but I want to talk a little bit about the company that is run by a husband and wife team, Tyler and Carla Daniels. So very cool. I love seeing family businesses. That's always really cool. In their offerings, they offer two lines, primarily with their beard products, and that is they have a white label, which tends to focus on cologne style scents, and then they have a black label, which focuses on more natural styled scents. What I received from them, I received 2 black label and 1 white label. So we'll just get into it, alright? First things up is I have the black label here, and we'll just get into the packaging here real quick. Classic amber bottle with an eyedropper. Love it. And it actually works really well with their packaging. I don't know if you can see it here we go. This is the black label here. It's got like their logo, and on the back it's got, you know, nice big letters there. Very modern, very straightforward. I love it. They have, you know, really cool little descriptions of what their scents are on it too, and I'll kind of read that. I'll do the ingredients right now because this is going to be the same for all of them. So on this one here we have avocado oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, and then essential oils and or fragrance oils. So I'm pretty confident just after using these. This is all oil, but those fragrances or whatever, they're just oil blends, and that's fine. If they have a recipe they don't want to give out or a blend, I get it. I'm pretty confident after using these. This is 100% oil. And even on their website they focus on really using good natural products. So this first one that I'm going to talk about, this is from the black line, obviously, right? It is called Leather. I gotta tell you, when I saw this on the website, I thought it was really cool. I'm like, leather? I've never had a beard oil that smelled like leather. Like, okay, let's see what this does. It says here on the back, it says, saddle up and hit the open road with leather, a real leather scent that will appeal to your wild side. I gotta tell you, it more or less appealed to my, like, I just feel like really put together and just, I don't know, it almost had like this weird like confidence builder in it. Let's just see how it smells here, alright? So, and it is, guys, this is straight up like brand new leather is what this smells like. I gotta tell you, it was weird. I didn't really know how to take it at first because it just smelled like leather. And then after it got to like mellow out, after being able to breathe, it got mild, which is fine. And it kind of had like this, it kind of went in and out of the leather smell, and then there was like a little bit of a drier note that it would have every now and then. Again, fine. It was just like, it was almost like the spectrum of like different leather smells you can get. This one, like, to me primarily smells like brand new leather. I gotta say, after, like, when I first put it on, a lot of leather, and then after I wore it for a while, it was just a very nice complimentary scent that I had, and I didn't even feel like it was conflicting with a cologne that I would wear or anything like that. I thought it was really, it was nice. It was kind of weird because it almost made me feel kind of like this. Like, I just felt really put together. I just kind of felt like I kind of looked kind of like this, alright? So, the second scent that I was sent, it's Invigorate. And I've had beard oil products like this before, and that's fine. This one was done very well. It's a very bright citrus with like a sweet vanilla at the end of it. Very nice. This is one of those that I really enjoyed putting this one on. I take showers in the morning. No, thank goodness I take showers in the morning. But I take showers in the morning and get out, beard's a little damp, throw this in. I gotta tell you, this is one of those, like, smelling this before you smell coffee is really nice. Invigorate, this was named very well. It was well named, definitely. You know, this one's a good one. the last one here, this is from the white line, and this is Legendary. And it's robust, powerful, and confident. Be a legend with our take on this masculine, fierce scent. So, I gotta tell you, at first I didn't really know. When I looked at the website, I'm like, well, legend, that sounds cool, and I read this description's on the website too. I liked what it said, so I'm like, oh, that's cool. Let's try it out. Didn't really quite catch what it was, and then I realized it was it's meant to resemble the Marc Blanc Legend cologne, and I got to tell you, while I was reviewing this, I was actually had the opportunity to smell the Marc Blanc version. Very nice cologne, and this one, it's done very well. It's actually just it's a much lighter version of the Marc Blanc, but it's done very well. I really enjoyed wearing this. It was just again a very nice compliment to having the beard. I'm going to show you how this one works. You can see it's a relatively clear oil, a little bit of a hue in there. Nothing big though, you know, pretty clear. And I don't have any product in my beard right now, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and gets in there pretty nice. And this scent is just a very clean, with a hint of sport in it, but it's very clean. Like I said, it just has this confidence. That's a really good way to describe that scent. How that bottle did, the kind of robust confidence. It's got it's a clean, kind of sporty, but just really a clean, classy, masculine, little bit of a sports scent in there, and it's nice. This was really nice to just get to use a cologne style again. It's its strongest right when you put it in the beard, and then it lightens up within an hour, and it does. It stays around you for quite a while, and I've got to say, since all the oils are constructed relatively the same, they last about about 8 hours. After that, I kind of, if anything, I would say that's probably a good time if you wanted to reapply some, you could. But really, like, I didn't have any itching. I didn't have any beard drift, and like I said, my beard color and everything, I still had a decent shine. It looked healthy, so I gotta give these perform well. I was very happy with them, and yeah, this is good stuff. I like it. It's just like my beard, it feels like freaking super clean right now, just that scent. And the other cool thing, really cool, they sent me stickers. I love stickers. Follow me on Instagram. I'll put that, it's my name right here, okay? I have a fridge in my garage that I put stickers on of things that I like. So guess where these are going? So they're going on the fridge. Really, I love the style. These are really cool. These little like skeleton bearded things. I love it. That's really cool. I love these things. They're cool. I like this product. I would recommend it. They got a solid product there. Very solid offering. And because I did the review, I have a discount code. It is BINKS20. So use BINKS20 and you will get 20% off your order, off of just about anything on the site, excluding apparel. So that's where we got to stop, guys. So again, BINKS20. You get anything you want off the site except apparel. And that's all I got for this review. Again, I really liked it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Hit that subscribe button, and I hope you have a great week. Take care.